Hello everybody, this is Fadi again, and in this tutorial we will learn and continue with this small house. And as you remember, in the previous video we have created this small house with the walls and interior walls and furniture, and also we have learned how to maybe visualize this plan. So if I am in course, it will be like that, and if I turn to fine, it will turn to more details in the let's say the walls and other details that we have in our project. So in this tutorial we will learn how to add the stairs. If you remember these uh, stairs, and also in this tutorial we will learn how to create the bed and the building bed, or the streets, roads, and also the topography around our project. So without further additions, let's dive in Revit and see how to continue with this small project. So as you see here, I have two stairs maybe in the entrance, as I am having two levels with 0 at the level of the home and minus 13. If I go to the elevation, maybe the north, you can see that I have ground floor and the outside level. So we have in our plan two stairs to reach to the level, up to the level of our home. And this line from the CAD, these lines from the CAD file that we have imported to our project template in order to help us to continue with this project as a guidelines. And also we have two stairs here. So how we can create these stairs? First of all, I would like to go to architecture and to stairs. And also you have two approaches here to create the stair. Maybe you can create it by sketch, and this is the logic here. You can sketch the boundaries and the risers of these stairs, and then try to finish this sketch in order to create the stair. And also you have the opportunity to create a run, and then you can maybe modify this run, and we will go with this approach. So I will select this run and try here for properties to determine from where to where the stair will be. So I will go here for the base level to outside, and for the top level to the ground floor, because the levels from outside, which is minus 30, to 0, which is the ground floor. So I will start to maybe draw this stair, and it will give us something like that. But if you see that our stair have a custom shape, so simply we can click on the stair, and here above you can convert to sketch. So this is my preferred approach in making the stairs that have not more than 3 or 4 stairs. So you will get this message. It's converting an automatic landing. Yes, you will close this, and then you will go and edit this sketch, and simply you can edit this sketch. If you see that we have now here the boundary, so I will try to drag this to this limit. And for this one you can even use the align tool to align this one to this one, but also you can delete it and try to draw your boundaries like that. And also for the riser we have vertical risers, so you can go to risers and then try to select these. Maybe the boundary is not here, it will be from here to here, because this line is the cantilever, but we didn't do it. Okay, now you can trim and extend. I will use this trim and extend to corner to close the riser and the boundaries together like that. And now we have the sketch ready for our stair, or first stair here. You can simply click OK and see the result maybe in the 3D we can see it. Yes, we have one stair, but the other stair will be the landing in this case. So I will now finish this one and see how to do the landing. You will get this annoying railing. You can simply delete them if you don't want them, and then you can go. Now also I will go to select my stair. I will edit my stair here, and for here you can see the landing here. So I will sketch my landing such as like that, because I have a landing here. So once you sketch the landing, you can see that your landing will be automatically created like that. Once you hit finish, you will get this result, and this is my approach in creating stairs. If you go and create a section, you will get a good idea, a good result for the stairs. Let's create the other stair in the other side of our home here. With the same approach, you can go, maybe you can also select this stair and create similar here without any further addition to go to the order or the options and go that. So I will use the same approach. So I will go to run and then try to draw any stair with any type. Maybe you have the opportunity here. There is no need to maybe modify the sketch because it is rectangular. So I will now also draw for the landing and sketch the landing. Maybe you can use the rectangular tool here to draw from here to here. You can see now that we have this one. If I click OK, I will get this result. So now we have done with our, maybe we have something wrong here. I will check now. You can see now that if I click now to this, I will remove this annoying. You can see that the base level is ground floor. No, it is outside, and the our top level is ground. So we will adjust that. Sometimes you can't adjust like that because you will have some constraints. So you will repeat, and from the beginning you will check your properties here, the base level and the top level. So now we have done with our stairs.